Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Hyundai Accent's clutch pedal. First, you'll need to measure the current free play of your clutch pedal. This is the small amount of movement before you feel resistance. Then, we'll locate the specific adjustment points under the dashboard. Proper adjustment ensures smooth gear changes and extends clutch life, aiming for 6 to 13 millimeters of free play. To begin, you'll need to get under the dashboard near the clutch pedal. Look for the push rod that extends from the pedal assembly towards the firewall, connecting to the clutch master cylinder. Along this push rod, you will find two nuts, a lock nut and an adjustment nut. These are the key components we will be working with to modify the pedal's position. Once you've located the nuts, start by loosening the outer lock nut. Then, you can turn the inner adjustment nut. Turning it clockwise will typically reduce the free play, while turning it counterclockwise will increase it. Make small adjustments, about 1/4 of a turn at a time. After each adjustment, firmly tighten the lock nut to secure the setting. After making your adjustments, remeasure the clutch pedal free play to ensure it falls within the recommended range of 6 to 13 millimeters. Test drive your Hyundai Accent to confirm that the clutch engages and disengages smoothly, without slipping or grinding. Also, verify that the pedal returns completely to its resting position. If issues persist, further inspection may be needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.